Hey fam, want to know how I'm keeping my scalp refreshed and my hair moisturized while I'm protective styling? Well, keep watching. Do you see this moisture and shine? Do you see it? Let's get into it. I want to introduce you to the new Cream of Nature Pure Honey Scalp Refresh Collection. It's formulated with a signature blend of pure honey, natural coconut oil, and shea butter. It's also infused with aloe and mint to refresh and restore moisture and balance to a dry scalp, which you can see a sister can totally use. First up, we are going to start with the cleansing scalp treatment. I am in love with this treatment because it deeply cleanses, and as you can see, it has this handy dandy nozzle that allows me to get through each part and underneath each braid, and it's perfect. So this line was formulated specifically for protective styling. So that's whether you are wearing braids, wigs, weaves, locks, faux locks, whatever it is, bantu knots, it is specifically designed for protective styling. I am in love with this cleansing treatment because it deeply cleanses without needing water or washing, so it's perfect for travel. It dissolves buildup and excess oils from the scalp, and it provides this cooling sensation, especially as you begin to massage it into your scalp. It feels so good. So you're gonna see me here like really take my time making sure that I get every nook and cranny of my scalp. A healthy scalp equals healthy hair, and especially as I'm protective styling, I want to make sure that my scalp is well tended to and well taken care of. Now I'm going to pay special attention to the crown section of my hair because it's where my hair gets the most flaky, the most dry and itchy, and I wanted to show you how this nozzle gets underneath my little knotless braid, and especially wanting to make sure that I take care of my edges because if you are like me and wear makeup, I want to make sure that all the makeup gets dissolved out of my edges and any edge control or anything that I've had in my hair. And then I'll follow up with a microfiber towel and soak up any excess. Next up, we are going in with the Invigorating Leave-In. Now this is a dry scalp dream. It is a cooling formula that invigorates your scalp and is enriched with ingredients that restore moisture to the hair, and it helps to reduce discomfort associated with dryness. You'll see me here spraying it over the entirety of my scalp, and I'm gonna also section my hair off into 4 sections and spray the length of my braids. I want to add hydration and moisture to the length of my hair, being that it's encapsulated into the braid hair, to make sure that my hair gets hydration, moisture, and you'll see that the shine that it adds to my braids is so pretty, so real. Anyway, it also is formulated with no sulfates, mineral oils, or silicones, and it deeply conditions and softens your hair. After completing all sections of my hair, I'm going in with the Restorative Daily Scalp Cream. This cream actually pleasantly surprised me. It is a cooling formula that refreshes and moisturizes dry scalp. It's so lightweight and fluffy and airy and like creamy smooth, and I really liked the way that it absorbed into my hair. At first I was a little nervous about adding a cream to my protective style, worried about buildup and will it like absorb into my hair, and it absorbed like a dream. So I loved it, and I really love the way that it laid my roots down, especially with me wearing knotless braids. And as you can see, my knotless braids are getting a little old, but you can see how they're like laying down like a dream. So it nourishes the hair and the scalp, restores shine, fortifies your dry, damaged hair, detangles, and smooths your hair. Do you see how this cream is laying my edges? Come on, somebody. Oh, this is great. And to seal the deal and finalize everything, I'm going in with the Invigorating Scalp Oil, which is a lightweight, silicone-free formula that nourishes the scalp and helps to make your hair look and feel healthier. And the shine, can we talk about the shine? Anyway, I applied this. A little bit goes a long way, and it too has this like great nozzle that I can get through and apply it to each little section, each part, and also get underneath my little knotless braids if that is something that you choose to do. I massaged it into my scalp, and then also applied a little bit to my hands and stroked it down the length of my braids to add not only shine, but then a little bit of moisture also to the length of my hair. And I can attest that the non-greasy is so real because, of course, with the braids hanging on my back, I am like a stickler for that, and my hair did not feel greasy at all. Of course, you know I gotta lay those edges with my Cream of Nature Edge Control. And I'm going to show you the final look, and you can see right here how the cream absorbed into my roots, and my hair looks so shiny, so moisturized, and look at my scalp. It looks so nourished. I love it. I'm in love. Make sure you check it out. You can find all of the products at your local Walmart. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment below and come back and let me know what you think of the new Scalp Refresh collection.